Yeah, can I get a venti latte with soy milk and 5 of the stevia packets?
And 1 stevia?
5 of the stevia packets.
I'm sorry?
5 of them?
Oh, 5, sorry.
No problem.
Anything else?
Yeah, and can you make that kids temperature?
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. That's not kids temperature. Yeah, I asked for kids temperature because I'm a pansy, and because I want to drink my coffee and not burn my tongue. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This one is before actually the track night that we're going to be doing. It's just a few days before. Today and tomorrow we're going to be getting ready for the track night. We already started that process last vlog with the what was it, transmission flush, and this time around we're gonna pick up some tools that I should just have with me just in case something happens at the track. And then also as well, we're doing the oil change, and I think that might be it. But now we're gonna go ahead and head out to Home Depot to pick up some of those tools, and then a little bit later we got to go get the oil for the oil change. Here we are back at the house. Here's what I got. I wanted to make sure I got an inflator, so when I'm at the track, if something happens to the tires, this way I can inflate them there without really worrying about if I have somewhere to air up the tires if I need be, or something happens, whatever, you know. And obviously once I have a dedicated track car, this will come in handy because you should be messing with your tire pressure to get the proper grip and stuff like that from the car. So, but we're not going to worry about that here. This is just a track day. But if my tire loses air for some reason, or maybe I need to put in a spare and the spare doesn't have air, we're good. Now I got the second thing here is the big guy. This is the big kit. Comes with a bag, charger, 2 batteries, comes with the light, saw, impact driver, drill, circular saw I believe is what it's called. So you got a bunch of different things in here, and the light. The biggest reason I wanted this was, one, obviously the batteries, because the inflator is battery operated, so I needed a battery. This is just a tool, you don't get the battery with this. And I needed the impact driver. Well, you get 2 batteries in this kit plus the driver, and then a bunch of other tools that I'm going to definitely use at some point. If you get just the impact driver and 2 batteries, it would have been, this is better value. This is $250 with all that, with the light, the bag, the carrying bag, the charger, the 2 batteries, the saws, all that is $250, where if you got the impact driver and the 2 batteries, it would have been like $150, if not more. So this is definitely better value. That's why I went with that. And then of course the inflator. I have a tri-beam LED. I wonder how. So very low back. It's pretty good. Inflator slash, it's also a deflator. So the battery actually doesn't go past the actual stand, and neither does the big one. Got that on. So the left switch is for the inflator. The right switch is for the actual air compressor for like tires and stuff. You also have your adapter here. And then what's great is you can set the PSI on what you need it to. So let's say 30 pounds. I think my car is 32 pounds. So 32 pounds of PSI. And then you just hit that, and it'll go till 32 until it detects it hit 32, and then it'll stop. Now we're in my favorite automotive spot, Walmart, and we're gonna get the oil that we need for this oil change so we can get ready for this track night, not a track day. Bro, you are not sneaky.
I mean, I'm not.
I didn't underestimate your sneakiness.
I'm trying.
Where's that full synthetic? I get my, I think it's 110A. Let's look it up. Oh, well, that's on the TV side aisle. Well, that's not gonna work. Hyundai, Honda 2013, 2014 Accord 2.4, 110A. Man, I'm good. That looked open. All right. Let's see, 0W20 full synthetic. There we go. Back again with another day in this vlog today. So yesterday you guys saw us pick everything up that we needed. Today I'm doing the video for the oil change, specifically on this car, and like a how-to. We are going to be installing, of course, doing the oil change, installing a new battery. Yeah, that's basically it. Real quick, I picked up I do want to mention I picked up an Optima yellow top for the car. This is a little over the top. This is not necessary. A lot of people will tell you that to get the yellow top, you should probably get it if you're running like a lot of speakers, amps, stuff like that, like a really big electrical system within the car. This is not necessary for just a regular daily driver that you know, you might be taking to a track. You can use just a regular battery, but I like to go, I figured I'll spend the extra 50 bucks or whatever versus the other battery and get this in there. So just wanted to point that out. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get into making this video for the channel. Just gotta get some more things. I gotta get a few more things to do that. It's a little process on getting these videos done, so I gotta get that done. All right, we just got done making that video. That was an easy video, quick and easy. We're gonna go ahead and put in the battery next. The only problem with this intake that I did, it does connect to the battery itself. So that's the only pain about it. Now I have to take that off, and yeah, whatever. Yeah, the battery's been working fine, but it's over 4 years old. So I figured it was just time to replace it before it actually goes bad. Let's say I'm at the track night tomorrow and it goes out on me for some dumb reason. That would be a horrible thing. So I figure best time to get it replaced. Let's see if I'll luck out and not have to touch that. Oh no! All right. Maybe. Oh shit! That's my excitement voice. The beauty of these yellow tops, they come with a handle. I don't have it right now, but I am gonna get like this grease that helps prevent that buildup. So I'm gonna get that probably like an AutoZone here in a little bit. I know I'm gonna have to go back and do it, so it's kind of annoying, but I'm gonna do that.
The Magneto from when we first put it on,
Right.
but I haven't ridden it since, so it might go faster. Now it's firing.
So that's the brake.
Yeah, just use it with your heel.
Okay. Oh,
Otherwise
I'm excited.
Otherwise your leg's gonna hit this.
Oh, right. Dude, I can't believe we got this thing running. Let's do it. You ready?
No.
Let's do this.
There you go. Yeah, do that.
So what's the race?
Go around the far, around the cul-de-sac, and then come back.
Oh, so you got to go around the cul-de-sac and come back, and that's the winner.
Yeah.
Is it blinking red?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Ready? Set. Go!
Ah! No joke though, I thought for sure that was going to be faster than this.
You did say it was at half battery.
It was half battery, so that's not fair.
We'll do it again. We're even going full speed after it's
Yeah.
charged.
I don't know. What did I say was last time? Was it
Well, they're bringing straight and you know, it's standard.
right?
I'm going to guess that this thing's metal. Oh, shit.
We'll go with metric. We're at my buddy's house, Anthony. We have this scooter from like the 70s and it runs. Now we're trying to figure out if this engine's gonna well, we know it runs, but now we're trying to figure out where all that fuel is coming from.
We'll show them what it's going to go on.
Oh yeah, that's a good call. So there was a nice garage sale near his house. So he picked up that old scooter and then this go-kart. So this should be fun. It's a little rusty, but hey, it'll be fun. Once we get that engine in, put the seat back on, hook up a few things, should be a lot of fun.
No?
Gee, what the fuck? You
told
were
you.
right.
I am.
Just
I'm
take
always
it.
right.
Just take it. Just take it off and put it back on. It'll work. Oh! Oh! I felt like a tip right there for a second.
I don't know, I heard it.
But I heard it. That's why I was.
Fucker, I got sparked by the mini bike. I'm getting sparked by this thing.
This thing's great. Sounds like a Subaru. That's it. That's it for this one. Had a lot of fun getting the car ready. Had fun with my buddy Anthony on that old 1970s scooter thing, whatever you want to call it, mini bike. So it was a lot of fun. I'm going to end this one here. And then the new vlog is going to start tomorrow when we get into the track night, the SCCA track night in America. So I'm super excited. I'll see you guys in that video.